Web-based substation monitoring and controlling. Here there are two systems, one is transmitter and another one receiver. This is a transmitter and this is a receiver. This receiver is connected to the PC. You can see there is a hyperterminal. In the hyperterminal you will be getting the buzzer alerts in the case of abnormal conditions. Now coming to the explanation, if you can see, you can connect the system to PC using RS-232 cable. This is used for serial communication. Now coming to the explanation, here we will be measuring like there are two different input sensors. One is current and one is voltage. Instead of sensor, we will be using potentiometer to measure them. There is a temperature sensor, and then there are different switches used to tell the abnormal conditions to the main station. And now this particular relay acts as a circuit breaker. It gets on in case of abnormal condition. There are this is a LCD displaying the values of voltage, current, temperature and frequency. And now if I vary the voltage, if you can see, it gives a buzzer on high voltage. The same thing is displayed on the PC. And again it gives a buzzer at the low voltage value, and the so-called relay gets on in the case of abnormal condition. That is the automatic circuit breaker. If you can see, there is a low voltage. In the same case the relay gets on like a circuit breaker. The same thing will be displayed on the PC through serial communication. Now coming to the current, it gives buzzer for high current. Now it's a high current buzzer alert. The same thing will be displayed on the PC in the hyperterminal. Now coming to the temperature. There is temperature sensor LM35. As you can see, it gives a buzzer alert for high temperature. The same thing will be displayed on the PC. Now coming to the frequency, if I just remove the supply, this is the outer coupler which measures the frequency. We just remove it. There is no supply, so the frequency will be 0 Hz. And if I just plug in back, I will be getting the frequency back. The different switches usually represent different conditions. The first one represents line 1 on. It will be displayed in the LCD and also on the PC. The second one, line 2 on. The same message will be displayed on the PC. Coming to the third one, line 3 on. Message will be displayed on the LCD and also on the PC. Coming to the push buttons. First one, if I press it, it displays the message of short circuit in the substation. The same message will be displayed on the. Now coming to the second push button, if I just press it, it will be showing the fire message in the LCD and also on the PC. Now coming to the third one, it will be displaying the message of help required in substation. The same message will be displayed on the PC. So like this you can monitor different parameters wirelessly. Thank you.